What is the close tab shortcut in Chrome or Firefox on Windows 11? The close tab shortcut in Chrome or Firefox on Windows 11 is Ctrl plus W. You can also click the X icon in the top right corner of the tab to close it. Here are some other keyboard shortcuts that you may find useful. Asterisk Ctrl plus T asterisk open a new tab. Asterisk Ctrl plus L asterisk focus the address bar. Asterisk Ctrl plus F asterisk open the search bar. Asterisk Ctrl plus E asterisk go to the end of the page. Asterisk Ctrl plus A asterisk select all text on the page. Asterisk Ctrl plus C asterisk copy text to the clipboard. Asterisk Ctrl plus V asterisk paste text from the clipboard. Asterisk Ctrl plus X asterisk cut text from the page. Asterisk Ctrl plus C asterisk undo the last action. Asterisk Ctrl plus Y asterisk redo the last action. Asterisk F5 asterisk refresh the page. Asterisk Alt plus F4 asterisk close the browser window. You can also use the mouse to close tabs in Chrome or Firefox. To do this, right-click on the tab that you want to close and select Close Tab from the menu.